power that you got over me. Why? To go cut to realize all the power that you got over me. Why can't you see
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. But if you're a new subscriber or if you are new on this platform, make sure to subscribe to my channel. So yeah, I just showed you my 10-minute habit or 10 minutes routine for the morning, and yeah, I just want to let you guys know something. I feel like everybody should have at least a morning routine. You get at least dedicate 10 minutes of your morning or 10 minutes of your time to do at least one thing, and do it like every day before you know it becomes part of you. Yeah, I just want you all to at least try as much as you can to start forming a 10 minutes habit. 10 minutes habit can change your life. I bet you. Sometimes you might feel like not doing it. For someone like me, sometimes I feel like not doing it, but I just know that if I don't do it, I feel more depressed. Let me say my house is scattered and I don't arrange it. I feel so bad, I feel depressed, I feel sick. But once I clean up everywhere, I feel better. You get? So I try as much as I can to do them irrespective of how I feel. So start forming the 10 minutes habit every day. It's going to take you a long way, trust me.
So yeah, and again, another thing I want to address is
yeah, so some people chatted me up. I was like, why? I was like, why did I stop talking on my videos? So yeah, the truth is that I enjoy silent vlogs. They are so therapeutic to me, and I was like, okay, let me just start putting them out there. Let me just start creating them. They're actually harder to edit, like they are very hard to edit, but I love them, and I go that extra miles to edit them, putting the caption and all those things. You get? So some people are complaining and like at least they want me to still be talking. I think I'm going to continue talking, but I'm just going to be doing like a little, because I'm still going to do what I love. You get? So yeah, I'm still going to be doing silent vlogs, but I'm going to be chipping in words here and there. You get? So yeah, that's just another thing I thought I should update you guys. Yeah, I think I'm signing off, so catch you later.
This is non-negotiable. I can't hide it anymore from me. Maybe a month or a year from now, I'll find my way somehow back to myself again.
To 25% of your wealth back in Anambra. Anambra will indeed become that African Dubai, Taiwan of Africa. Thank you very much and God bless you and I see you again in the next one.
Wow, please round of applause. Calling Mr. Solution. Yes, if it's inside. Please don't go because we will entertain us. Okay, the documentaries. Pick up this far.
Month or a year from now, I'll find my way somehow back to myself again.
Was it microwave? Was it microwave?
Non-negotiable. I can't hide it anymore from me.
This is very cute.
Maybe a month or a year from now, I'll find my way somehow back to myself again.
Very much cute. So yeah. So hey guys, these are the couple of things I got. I guess from buying these that we are in the cooking era. Yeah, I hope so. So subsequently I'm going to be making my food. I don't know anyways, but I just want to level up my kitchen utensils. I don't want to, yeah, I'm not going to buy everything at once because I'm a student and now I do a lot of budgeting. So I'm going to be buying them like little by little. I've gotten one pot, maybe next time I get another pot and the rest of them. But that's the word of today's vlog is Okay, so
Didn't want you to know.
hard work pays. Yeah, I guess that's what I want to say. Most times it's not like I really sit down and think of what to say as the word of my vlog. I just, anything that just comes to my heart, I know that it resonates with me, and I know that this thing is something I've tried and it worked for me. So I'm going to tell you all as my word of the vlog. So yeah, hard work pays. So I know a lot of people will be like, it doesn't, sister. Brother, hard work pays. So don't get tired of doing what you love. Don't get tired of doing the things that you know that works. Just put your work out there, and above all, you can add smart work. Yes, working hard pays, but smart work pays more. So you can make it hard work plus smart work. That means you go far. Bye. Thank you for watching. I love you all.